If you have a TikTok account and you have been unable to verify your identity or withdraw your earnings, then this is the right video for you to watch, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide on how to apply for TikTok monetization. So I'm going to be showing you in details how to use your local identity card to verify your identity on TikTok, whether the TikTok account is UK account, US account, or in general international TikTok account or local TikTok account. Worry no more, you're going to be learning how to do all of that in this video. And also I will be showing you how to get a free UK or US bank account to withdraw your money. So before I go into details, I want to explain something to you guys. Now, when it comes to withdrawing your money on TikTok, most especially for those that have international TikTok account, if you have a local TikTok account, you can go ahead and use your bank, like any local bank, to withdraw your money, right? But if you have international TikTok account, you can't just use your local bank to withdraw your money. No, you will need international bank details to withdraw your money as well. Just like as I already said, I will be teaching you how to get these free bank details. Now, for you to get a free bank details to withdraw your money, you need to make use of a certain app to get the free bank details, and that app is called the Gray app. It is called Gray app. I'm going to be putting the logo on the screen. I've already made a well detailed video on how to generate UK or US or in general international bank details on that Gray app. I have one, and that is what I use in receiving my money on from TikTok or on TikTok. So go ahead and watch that video, create your Gray app. There you are going to see how to generate or how to get your UK or US bank details. Follow the process, okay? Follow the process I showed you on the video. Then get your bank details. Once they give you your bank details, write it somewhere first. Write it on a piece of paper, because once you start the verification process on TikTok, you might not really have that time to go back again to be doing all of that. Do you guys get? So watch that video. I'm going to be leaving the link at the description section. Check it, or you can check up here or here. You're going to be seeing a link popping up on the screen. So click on it to watch the video. Once you are done, generate your bank details, write it out and keep it aside. Okay, you are going to be needing it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing now is to log you on to the TikTok app and show you the process. Now, before we start, please go ahead and like this video, comment on it, share it. This really helps my algorithm a lot. This will make YouTube to recommend this video to more people who are looking for how to withdraw their money on TikTok to watch. Okay, and also subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of this kind of videos here on this channel. If you have any question at the end of the video, please go ahead and ask. I am here at the comment section. I will answer all your questions. The first thing you're going to be doing is to click on your TikTok app to open your TikTok. Then you're going to see profile. Click on profile. Once you click on profile, you're going to see your name, your pictures, everything you've uploaded. So you're going to click on these three dots at your right hand side up here. Once you click on it, you are going to see TikTok Studio, Balance, My Music, etc. So you are going to click on TikTok Studio. Once it is open, you are going to see Creator Tools. You are going to see Tool Live. You are going to see Analytics. You are going to see your post views, your net followers, your likes. Then if you check down, you are going to see monetization. You are going to see beneath monetization. You are going to see subscription, creator rewards program, etc. So you're going to click on creator rewards program. Once you click on it, it's going to open like this. You're going to see you are eligible to join creator rewards program. That is if you are eligible. That is the only way you will see this. If you're not eligible yet, you will not see this kind of write-up. So you are going to see collect rewards for your 1 minute plus video, more rewards for quality content, monetize with other top creators. You are eligible to join, be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, etc. So you are going to see joined. You will click on join. So once you click on join, you are going to see a write-up like this saying congratulations, you have joined the creator rewards program. Then you go ahead and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you are going to see creator rewards program, more info needed for payment. You are going to see verify identity. That is the first thing you are going to be doing. So to verify your identity, you are going to click on verify. Once you click on verify, you are going to see select ID, issue country/region. So you are going to see United Kingdom. That is if your TikTok account is a UK account. If your international TikTok account is a US account, you're going to see United States. So you are going to see ID type, you are going to see ID card, you're going to see driver license, you're going to see passport. So for me, I'm going to be choosing ID card. Now I live in Nigeria. I'm going to be using my Nigeria ID card. So you don't need a UK ID card to verify this. So I'm going to be using my Nigeria ID card, and you guys are going to be seeing that shortly. But if you have a passport, you can just go ahead and make use of your passport. That is going to be perfect. I will click on ID card. Once I click on ID card, I will click on next. So once you click on next, you're going to see start verification. This process is designed to verify your identity and protect you from identity theft. So if you read further, you're going to see start. Go ahead and click on start. Once you click on start, you're going to see choose an upload method, take photo, upload file. So for me, I'm going to be clicking on take photo. If you already have a picture of your ID card or passport on your phone, you can just go ahead and click on upload file. So for me, I don't have anyone on my phone yet. I will just go ahead and click on take photo. Once you click on take photo, you are going to position your camera to your ID card like this. You can go ahead and snap it. If it's not okay, you can click on retake. If the picture is good enough, you can go ahead and click on use photo. So I will go ahead and click on use photo. Once you click on it, you will see checking image quality. Please do not close your browser. This may take a moment, so you're going to leave it until it is fully uploaded. Okay, once your ID has been uploaded, you are going to see ID uploaded. So you can go ahead and read what they wrote beneath the ID uploaded. Then if you check down, you're going to see verification process. You're going to see submit identity information. That one is check. Okay, then the second one is information under review. So beneath it, you're going to see it usually take 3 business days and may take longer sometimes. Then the next one is get notified of the review progress. You are going to see it on your email. So if you check where I said you should read, you are going to see the instruction there on how you can see it. Okay, go ahead and click on got it. Once you click on got it, you are going to see system notification. The time is going to take for your identity to be verified might be different from my own time. So mine, I think I got notification 10 minutes later. They said you have verified your identity for creator rewards program. Continue with the next. So if you check down, you are going to see identity verified. Your identity is verified. You get, they said you have verified your identity and set up payment. Yeah, that is it. So you can verify your identity using your local identity card or passport. Okay, so that is it for that. Please, one thing I want to advise is always check your email in case they send you any notification. So that is it for that. If you're not yet verified, you can always come back to check. Now that we are done with identity verification, we are going to be moving to the next phase, which is how to set up payment method on TikTok from UK/international TikTok accounts. To withdraw your money from TikTok, go ahead and open your app, then click on the 3 dash at the top of your right hand side. Once you click on it, you're going to see TikTok Studio, you're going to see balance. Then go ahead and click on TikTok Studio. Once you click on TikTok Studio, look for Creator Rewards Program. Click on it. Once you click on Creator Rewards Program, you are going to see, for me, I have not had my payment method before, so I want to add it now. So you can see what they wrote. They said update your payment information, which I have not even added before. So I'm going to click on update. In your own case, you might not be seeing update. You might see add payment method. However, whatever you see there, click on it. So for me, I will click on update. Once I click on update, they are going to see payment method. I will click on this payment method. So once I click on it, they are going to say add payout method. So the first thing you're going to be seeing up there is country/region, United Kingdom. So they automatically detected my region. So you're going to see choose payment method. The first option here is paper and the second option here is bank transfer. So I'm going to click on bank transfer to withdraw my money. So once you click on bank transfer, you're going to see link bank transfer. Now you see the bank account details that was given to you by Gray app. So you're going to click on your first name. The name you use there is what you're going to be typing here. The way it is there, that is how you're going to be copying and pasting it here. So once you see sort code, go back and copy the sort code and paste it. I noticed that the moment I typed in the sort code, they automatically showed me the bank name, which means that I'm not going to be typing the bank name here. So you are going to see beneficiary bank, Clear Joshua Limited, that is the bank name. So you're going to see bank account number. Go ahead and copy your account number over there and paste it here. You are going to see email, enter your email. You are going to see set as primary account, click to set it as primary account. Once you are through, click on submit. See manage bank transfer, your information has been added, you can see everything there. So click on done to go back. So as you click on done, you are going to see payout setup. Then if you check down, you are going to see completed. So if you see something like this, congratulations my loves. Congratulations to you. Now the next section is going to be how to withdraw your money on TikTok. To withdraw your money, you are going to be clicking on the three dash at the top right hand here. Once you click on it, you are going to see TikTok Studio. You are going to see balance. So on that balance section, you are going to see how much you have made so far on TikTok. Click on balance. Once you click on balance, it's going to open to the next page. So on the next page, you are going to be seeing at the top estimated balance. So click on view. Once you click on view, you are going to see content reward, monthly earnings, income. So you're going to see what you have made on this three section. So mine is on income, so I'm going to click on income. So once you click on income, depending on where your money is, click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you are going to see withdraw money, withdraw account. So you are going to be using the account you added just now, so it is automatically showing there. So you're going to see amount section. You can go ahead and type in the amount you want to withdraw, or you can click on withdraw all. For me, I'm going to click on withdraw all because I want to withdraw the money. So once you click on withdraw all, the money will show there. Then you're going to see withdraw now. So I'm going to click on withdraw now. Then you will see confirm withdrawal. So click on confirm to withdraw. So once you click on it, it's going to say withdrawal in progress. Funds should arrive in 3 to 5 business days. So I will click on back. So mine arrived immediately. Okay, did not take time. So you're going to see my income is now 0.00 pounds. Okay, I've withdrawn all the money. So that is how to withdraw your money on TikTok. So guys, we come to the end of the video. I hope this video was really helpful, and if it was for the last time, please like, comment on it. If you have any question, go ahead and ask, and if you don't have any question, please leave a nice comment. This really helps my algorithm a lot. In case you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this kind of content. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.